Hello everyone, it's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial on how to turn Play Store app to a dark theme. Okay, how to turn Google Play Store app to a dark theme. So it's easy and simple. The first thing you're going to do is to locate the Play Store app on your phone. That is the Google Play Store app. So let's look for it. So here is the Google Play Store app, then you tap on it. So once it opens, you go to your profile picture, you tap on it. Once that opens, you go to settings, you tap on settings. Next, you go to general, you tap on general. Next, you locate theme, okay? As you guys can see, it's on light theme. What you're going to do is to tap on theme. So once you tap on theme, you choose the dark theme, okay? Alright guys, so once you choose the dark theme, the entire background will turn to the dark theme, okay? So this is how you can turn Google Play Store app to a dark theme. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.